On Wednesday, Michael made withdrawals $40, $65, and $110 from his savings account. On the same day, his sister Emma made withdrawals of $30, $75, and $100 from her savings account. First, we have to write a sum of negative integers to show Michael's withdrawals on Wednesday, and find the total amount Michael withdrew. Because we have withdrawals, so we have negative sign before these three numbers. So we have negative 40 plus negative 65 plus negative 110. We have addition of three negative integers. So we copy negative sign and we have to just add the numbers 40, 65 and 110. So we have 40 plus 65 plus 110. So this is equal, negative sign we have to rewrite. 40 plus 65 is 105 plus 110, so it will be 215. So Michael withdrew $250, we can write. Now we have to find amount of money which withdrew Emma. First we have to write the sum of negative integers to show Emma's withdrawals on Wednesday. So Emma first withdrew $30, not 75 and 100. So we have negative, because this is first number, so we don't have to write parentheses, plus we have negative 75, and we have to add the last amount is $100, so negative 100. Because she withdrew, that's why we have negative sign before these three numbers. So now we have addition of negative integers, three negative integers. So we copy negative sign and we have to just add the numbers 30, 75 and 100. So we have 30 plus 75 plus 100. So this is equal, negative sign we rewrite, 30 plus 75 is 105 plus 100, so it will be 205. So we can write that Emma withdrew $205. Next, we have that Michael and Emma's mother also withdrew money from her saving account on Wednesday. She made 3 withdrawals and withdrew $20 more dollars than Michael did. What are 3 possible amounts she could have withdrawn? So first we have given that she made 3 withdrawals and withdrew 20 more than Michael. We calculate that Michael withdrew $250 because we have that she withdrew 20 more, so we have to this amount add this $20 because this is withdrawal, so we will write that we have negative 250 first integer plus $20, so it will be negative 20. So this is equal, we have addition of 2 negative integers, so we copy negative sign and we have to only add 250 and 20. So this is equal, negative sign we copy, and 250 plus 20, so this is 235. So we can write that Michael's and Emma's mother withdrew $235. And now we have to find three possible amounts she could have withdrawn. We have $235, so we can write that she withdrew, for example, first $100, next $100, and $35. The total is $235. You can choose different number, it doesn't matter. Important is only that the sum of these three withdrawals will be 235. This is my solution.